Hello. In this video, I'm going to show two things. One is to put a solar receptacle into the side of my van. I have a new portable power supply. Look, it's the sun. It's the first nice sunny day we've had in weeks. But this is overlooking Frankfort, Kentucky, the capital. Way over here, you'll see Buffalo Trace Distillery. Because I use portable power stations such as these, other devices aren't necessary. The video I want to show you is putting this in the van. It's for my portable solar panel. This is the Balder portable solar panel that I use. Fully opened, there is the solar panel. It also can hang using this hook on one of my roof racks. And there's the solar panel if I'm just hooking it up, as I said, to the ladder rack. Everything becomes self-contained. Anybody that uses a small van knows that space is limited. These are both 1,000-watt power supplies. This one's about 4 years old and it's kind of reached end of life. There is my new one. It was a gift to me for birthday and anniversary. I've already tested it and it seems to work very well. Let me show you what happens with the solar plug and how to put it in. That's the shore power plug. This piece is because my solar panel needs to be able to be a little further away from my van than the 6 feet that the solar panel allowed. That's the piece that's going to be on the outside of the van. So off with the panel again.
I don't want it too close. It's going to be about 2 inches wide.
We're putting silicone on before we mount it. We didn't with the shore power. It doesn't leak, but just giving it another barrier of protection. There it is.
This end.
There's the solar wire that's going to go into the power station. And here's one that we made up. There's what the plug for the outside looks like. And the longer wire for outside. And it comes with a couple of polarity plugs too. You have to make your own ends unless you buy one that already has them. This is how you put Anderson pole connectors onto a wire. This end would go into the van. Crimper and a wire stripper. Those are the bits, pieces, and parts. These are going to go on here. And you can see this is positive, this is negative, because, well, it's black and red. This is going to be the negative side, this is the positive side. And there's a little boot that comes with it if we choose to use it. They just slide together like that, and you can put a little drop of super glue. There's with the little boot and the ends, which you're going to plug into the portable power supply. What's nice is anywhere you go, you can just put up a solar panel, cook or make coffee or tea. Plug comes in from outside. And now anything I want to plug in, whether it's a DC operated thing or something that's AC. I do plan on putting a solar panel on the roof, so that's I'm gonna have to put another solar plug up on the roof, but that's not today. So first I'm going to show you the box. I do a lot of my own research. Actually, I do all of my own research. This power station can charge with AC, solar, or on a car outlet. It has 3 14-volt DC ports, 2 AC outlets. What pure sine wave is it just reduces the buzz and hum of whatever you've got plugged into it. A USB-C for my phone, 3 USB outlets, and a charging pad for my phone, which is always dying when I'm on the road because I use it for videos and for mapping. As always, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a good thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share because, well, it really helps me make more videos.